Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create tables in Claude 2026. Want to clean tables without Excel or Google Sheets? Claude can create them instantly. Now tables are perfect for organizing information, comparing data, and presenting ideas clearly. And in 2026, Claude can create, edit, and explain tables using simple text prompts. No technical skills needed. So let me show you how. Now, the first thing you want to do is to open your web browser and type in Claude. We're going to click on the Claude AI website and make sure to sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, we're going to open a new chat by clicking on Start New Chat on the plus button here in the top left corner. And then we're going to start the chat and type a request like create a table comparing iPhone and Android. For example, I'm going to type in create a table comparing Android with iPhone to iPhone. And I'm gonna click this. You can also choose the model you want. I choose ICO for fastest and quick answers. So now Claude is working on creating the table by searching for the internet about information about the topic I just gave him. Now, while I'm waiting, we're just gonna review after that. After Claude gives you the table, you're gonna review the generated table and ask Claude to edit rows or columns and add more data. See here, as you can see, it has a new window with the information and the table. As you can see, this is the generated table. So you can see it's compared Android and iPhone by categories, and it gave informations based on informations in the web. Now, you can also ask him to simplify or expand the table, and don't be unclear about columns. Too much data at once can be messy, and tell Claude exactly what each column is, and ask for tables in Markdown or plain text. And that's how you create tables in Claude in 2026. Fast, clean, and simple. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.